Hello, space explorers. Quick moon check. If you peek outside right now, would the moon look like a cookie with a bite, a banana, or a big round pizza? Point your finger to vote. Cookie, banana, or pizza? Tonight, we'll crack the moon's shape-shifting secret. Buckle up. On my count. Shout it with me. 3, 2, 1, lift off. Zooming in. Look at those craters. And those dark patches called seas. Plot twist, they're not water. They're old lava plains. Quick game. When I say no air, you hold your breath for 1 second. Ready? The moon has no air and no weather. Good job! It's about 1/4 the size of Earth, but it's our mighty nightlight. Hello, moon! Okay, myth check. Some people say the moon changes shape because of Earth's shadow. If you think that sounds right, thumbs up. If you're not sure, wiggly fingers. Secret reveal, nope. Earth's shadow only shows up during eclipses. The moon's shapes, the phases, happen because sunlight hits it from different angles as it orbits Earth. Make a crescent with your hand. Like this. Nice. Look as tiny model of lunar ellipse. We have mighty sun, our beautiful Mother Earth, the moon. When the moon orbits around Earth, the sunlight hits different sides. So from Earth, we see different pieces lit up. Magic line, half the moon is always lit, but we don't always see the same half from our spot on Earth. Try this. Hold a ball at arm's length. Slowly walk in a circle around your Earth self. Watch the bright part change. That, explorers, is a phase. Drum roll for the phases. I'll say it, you repeat the fun nickname. New moon. Sneaky ninja moon. We see nothing. Waxing crescent. Banana moon. First quarter. Letter D moon. Waxing gibbous. Almost full tummy moon. Full moon. Space pizza. Waning gibbous. Getting sleepy moon. Last quarter. Letter C moon. Waning crescent. Tiny smile moon. Then, back to new. Waxing means growing. Waning means shrinking. High fives, lunar linguists. Time to bust the shadow myth for real. Phases is not equal to Earth's shadow. Eclipses are the shadow stories. Lunar eclipse. Earth moves between sun and moon. Earth's shadow paints the moon red. Solar eclipse. Moon moves between us and the sun. The moon's shadow makes daytime go night-night for a moment. Different show, different rules. We'll do a full eclipse episode soon. Pinky promise. Quiz time. Say your answers out loud. First. Which phase looks like a banana? Crescent. Good job. Second. Which phase is a whole space pizza? Full moon. Again, good job. Third. Does Earth's shadow cause phases or eclipses? Eclipses. Awesome. You aced it. Future astronomers unlocked. Now you know why the moon changes shape. Sunlight plus orbit equals phases. Tell me below, which phase is your fave? Banana, D, or pizza? Drop your emoji pic. Tap like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next mission. Until then, keep looking up, little explorers. Dr. Nova, out.